Smart Teen Finance, where money talk actually makes sense. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Smart Teen Finance, where we make money talk actually make sense. Frank here, helping you navigating the personal finance world. Trust me, I wasn't born knowing how money works. A few years ago, I thought budgeting was just something boring adults did, and I used to spend every single cent as soon as I got it. But I got tired of stressing about money and always feeling left out when friends were doing cool stuff. So I started learning, and now I want to share all the hacks and tips I wish someone told me sooner. Today we're exposing a brutal truth. Most teens are broke. Yeah, I said it. Broke. No cash, no savings, nothing. But don't stress, because today I'm showing you exactly how to break the cycle and be different from everyone else. Ready to not be broke? Smash that like button and let's go. Number 1. No one taught us. Let's be honest, schools rarely teach you how to actually manage money. You've probably learned more about mitochondria than about bank accounts. So most of us just do what we see adults do, and a lot of adults are broke too. Number 2. Spending more than earning. When teens get money, allowance, birthday cash, part-time job, the first thought is, how do I spend this? Shoes, food, gaming, gadgets. By the end of the week, it's all gone. Sound familiar? Number 3. Peer pressure is real. If your friends are flexing the latest phone or $100 sneakers, you feel like you gotta keep up, even if your wallet is crying. And number 4. Instant gratification. We live in a world where you can get anything in 2 clicks and a tap. Waiting? That's for boomers. But that now mindset destroys your money over time. Okay, so how do you avoid the broke trap? It's not about being a boring adult who never spends money. It's about being smarter than the average teen. Here's what being different actually means. 1. Mindset shift. Money is a tool, not just treat. Instead of thinking, money is for spending, start thinking, money is a tool to buy freedom. Freedom equals more choices, less stress. 2. Learn the basics. Budgeting, saving, earning, investing. Most teens know zero about these. Learn them, and you're already in the top 10%. 3. Build habits. Now. You don't have to be rich to start good money habits. Saving even $5 a week is better than nothing. Let's get specific and explore some easy tools. Here are 5 things you can do right now to stop being broke. Step 1. Track your money. Grab a notebook or use a free app. Write down every money you get and every money you spend. Seeing where your cash goes is the first wake-up call. Step 2. The 50-30-20 rule, teen edition, which means 50% to spend on fun, food, and friends. 30% to save for something big you actually care about. 20% to invest or save for your future. Yes, even if it's just $2 per week. Step 3. Find a side hustle. Babysit, mow lawns, do digital gigs, sell old stuff online. Vinted is so popular today. Open an account and sell your old clothes. There's always a way to make extra cash. Step 4. Challenge yourself. No spend week. Try this. For 7 days, only buy essentials. No drinks, no gaming skins, no random snacks. You'll be surprised on how much you save. Just don't spend. Practice patience. Step 5. Talk about money. Ask your parents, older siblings, or even Google questions about saving, investing, and making money. You may get practical advices. In worst case, you'll not feel completely lonely in handling money. Don't let money be a mystery. Most teens stay broke because they don't know any better, but now you do. If you want more freedom, less stress, and more options in life, start making these moves today. Don't wait until you're an adult to get your money right. Be different. be smart. Smash like if you learned something new. Hit subscribe for more money hacks and drop a comment. What's the dumbest thing you ever spent your money on? See you next time.